Cooper here. Listen, I can't be long. I'm literally in the middle of a client session. They're in there, that's my office. And I'm currently working with them over procrastination issues. In fact, we're actually about 55 minutes into a 90-minute session. I've done absolutely nothing with them of any value, quite deliberately. In fact, I keep promising to them that I'm going to share something of real value with them shortly, and then I keep getting distracted. This time I've made the excuse that I need the toilet, which is actually kind of true. I do need to go, so I'm going to go to the toilet, but I told them I'm going to be back in 5 minutes to crack on, but I'm actually not going to go back. They're 10 minutes. And by the way, they are beginning to get increasingly frustrated with me. I can see it all over their face. So yes, it's going well. Now, listen, over the last 22 years working with people therapeutically, I have been known to do some crazy shit like this with people. Why? Because I want to create context where people change, not just lie them down and talk to their subconscious in a hypnotic voice while the ambient whale music plays in the background whilst we chat about rainbow smiles and marshmallow dreams. So look, if you are interested in hearing more about the outrageous ways I've helped people in the past and how you might be able to prod, poke and do the unthinkable in order to help people make positive changes in profound ways, then join me at this year's UK Hypnosis Convention, where on Friday the 15th at 10 a.m. in the Waterloo Suite, I'm going to be sharing tales and strategies of outrageous transformations. Oh, and I'll also tell you what ends up happening with my procrastinator too. Hope to see you there.